any child having cough should be having treatment, as it can be harmful. So any cough in a child should be treated. So this is the incorrect statement. It's obvious from the previous points that cough is a protective reflex and you should only treat it if it is really frustrating, and or if there is an underlying problem like wheeze or nose block, which can be treated. So ideally try to tolerate the cough and do things which can reduce the cough, like giving sips of water, having a comfortable room temperature. A cold air which is going into the baby can be irritating, and you can adjust the posture of the child. Avoid overeating when you have cough so that the reflux doesn't aggravate the cough.